Okay, that means IBM compatible disk is as similar as the IBM PC or XT or AT that are able to use the same software. जसले पनि IBM PC र IBM compatibles these both have same software and expansion card. Right? They can use ever or they are able to use the same software and expansion card between what? Between IBM PC and IBM compatibles. And here, expansion card, it was developed by Business Machine. Firstly, IBM compatibles was developed by Business Machine and Personal Computer Corporation IBM. Okay, International Business Machine, and such computers were referred to as PC clones or IBM clones. Merely PC clones अथवा IBM clones पनि भन्ने गरिन्छ. But beside this, the first one, IBM PC. No, about IBM PC, we have discussed in our previous class about IBM PC. No, it is also what? IBM PC is also the commonly known as the IBM PC is the original version of the IBM PC and compatible. IBM PC को compatible को original version जस्तो हामीले यो सेकेन्डमा पढ्छौँ IBM compatible भनेर हैन. त्यसो IBM compatible भनेको somehow not a original brand, and that is IBM PC is the original brand. IBM PC compatible computers design. Okay? And it is IBM model number 5150 and was introduced on August 12, 1981 and created by a team of engineers and designers directed by Don Strays in Roca Raton, Florida. Okay? They were unable to use other storage devices such as floppy disks, hard disks, compact disks, and etc. But here, the IBM PC or as the IBM compatibles PC are computers are similar to the original IBM PC, means same as they are not able to use. That's secondary storage. What is that? Yeah, okay. And other storage device like floppy disks, no, hard disks, and compact disks as well. Means because they are same as IBM PC. Okay, so let's do it. Then after this, next one is Apple or Macintosh computer. Okay, this is the next brand of computer or next group of computer. Then it is the popular model of computer. Okay, that's Apple or Macintosh computer is the another brand of computer, and it is popular, made by Apple computer. Okay, and introduced in 1984. The Macintosh feature a graphical user interface GUI that utilizes Windows, icon, and mouse to make it relatively easy for novice to use the computer and productively. यसले के गरिन्छ भने यो पनि एउटा कम्प्युटरको पपुलर ब्रान्ड हो. Nowadays, in almost everywhere, we can find such type of computers, no, and almost and see and that features, okay, a graphical user interface, that means GUI, okay, that utilize means graphical or that's in Apple computer you can find Windows, icons, and mouse to make it relatively easy for novice to use the computer and productively, and rather than learning complex, see, rather than learning a complex set of commands, you need only point to select. Rather than learning a complex set of commands, you need to only point to a selection. जस्तो त्यसलाई के गरिन्छ हामीले कुन चाहिँ गर्ने भनेर ठ्याक्क select गर्ने point गर्ने बित्तिकै automatically, and on a menu and click a mouse button as per the other computer or other systems. Moreover, the GUI is enabled into the operating system. Similarly, and this means that all applications that run on a Apple or Macintosh computer have a similar user interface. Okay, that is GUI embedded. Okay, okay, embedded. Okay, GUI is embedded into the operating system. That means that's why we can feel easy to work at the same time or operate may multitask at the same time. This is another brand of computer. Then after we'll talk about advantages and disadvantages of computer. So please write it. Okay, done. Yeah. Okay. Finished. Yeah. Then next topic is functional unit of computers. Okay, there are some functional unit of computer. Do you know what are the functional unit of computer? Functional unit of computer. Unmute your audio of me. Then tell me, let me know what are the functional units of computer. Prabha, do you know functional units of computer? CUALUMU. What is the full form of ALU?
Automatic logical unit.
And what is the full form of CU?
Control unit. Control unit.
What is the full form of MU?
Memory unit.
MU.
Memory unit.
What?
Memory unit.
Omni.
Memory.
What? Okay. These three, ALU, CU, and MU are the functional units of computer. ALU, arithmetic logical unit, ALU, control unit, CU, and memory unit, MU are the functional unit of a computer. Okay. Let's see on the screen. You'll get, say, functional unit of computer, arithmetic logical unit, or that is logic unit as well, and control unit CU, and memory unit MU. That means, see, especially arithmetic logical unit operates addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, no, and similarly division, logic, and comparison. And similarly, control unit control everything, controls instruction inside. It is the part of what? Control unit is the part of CPU. So it controls everything or every instruction in the CPU. And next one is MU, memory unit. That means RAM. Do you know RAM? What is the full form of RAM? Full form of RAM.
RAM.
RAM, that is random access memory, right? Random access
Memory.
memory means the control memory unit is uh, also known as what? RAM, or secondary primary storage device as well. Yeah, or that is main memory or internal storage. It has different names, no, but the function is same. Now go to the next topic. Advantages and disadvantages of computer. See the advantages. I think you can tell yourself what are the advantages of using computer.
Um,
Okay.
Computer helps us to solve the problems
Yes.
uh, of questions and
Various problem. It helps to solve various problems. Okay.
problem. It is one of the best tools for
Mhm.
communication.
And similarly,
Um,
okay,
it can
there are
perform
various
at any
advantages
time.
of. Okay, listen to me. There are various advantages of computer, no, because computer make our work easier or faster. है कामलाई के गर्छ छिटो छरितो सम्पन्न गर्न सहयोग गर्छ. It can work for long time. यसले के गर्छ विदाउट रेस्ट है यसले आराम नलिकन पनि लामो समयसम्म काम गर्न सक्छ. इट क्यान वर्क विदाउट एनी एरर्स है कुनै पनि गल्ती गर्दैन कम्प्युटरले हो. एन्ड इट कनेक्ट्स यु टु द इन्टरनेट. हामीलाई के गर्छ इट कनेक्ट अस टु द इन्टरनेट. इन्टरनेटसँग हामीलाई जोडिन्छ. It helps to keeps you connected with the current affairs. हामीलाई अहिलेको वर्तमान अवस्थामा भएका विश्व घटनाहरूसँग पनि हामी परिचित हुन सक्छौँ हो. इट हेल्प्स यु लर्न एन्ड किप यु इन्फर्म. तिमीहरूलाई के नयाँ कुरा सिक्नको लागि र तिमीहरूलाई यसले के गर्छ हामीहरूलाई जानकारी प्रदान गर्दछ. द्याट इज द इजियर मिन्स अफ getting information through the computer, right? Besides this, here are some advantages of computer. So let's talk about them. Okay, so here advantages of computer: increase your productivity, right? It can perform many works at the same time. Okay, many operations at the same time. So it increase our productivity. That is not your, that is our productivity. Keep us to the internet. It connect us to the internet. Can store large amount of information and reduce waste. यसले के गर्छ धेरै सूचनाहरूलाई यसले सेभ गरेर राख्न सक्छ, स्टोर गरेर राख्न सक्छ. एन्ड हेल्प्स सर्ट अर्गनाइज एन्ड सर्च थ्रु इन्फर्मेसन. हामीले कुनै कुरा जानकारी लिनको लागि, कुनै कुरा आयोजना गर्नको लागि हैन, जसमा के हुन्छ भन्दा सांगठनिक रूपमा राम्रो बनाउनको लागि, प्रोजेक्टहरू गर्नको लागि पनि हेल्प गर्छ. गेट अ बेटर अन्डरस्ट्यान्डिङ अफ डेटा है यसले के गर्छ डेटाको बारेमा राम्रो जानकारी प्रदान गर्दछ. एन्ड किप यु कनेक्टेड टु द ग्लोबल भइहाल्यो. एन्ड क्यान हेल्प यु लर्न एन्ड keep you informed भइहाल्यो र a computer can work for long time without rest. These are the advantages of computer. Okay, note these. Or if you see page number 3 in the page number, you will find these advantages and disadvantages on your book page number 3. Everything have negative and positive aspect, right? Everything has positive and negative aspect. Likewise, computer has also some negative aspects or disadvantages. These are presented below. Okay, so here some disadvantages of computer are given here. That means brain and eye strain. If we spend long time with mobile or computer, no, or any other electronic devices like television, mobile, computer, then it reduces the capacity or capability of our mind and eyes. Okay, and too much sitting. यसले के हुन्छ हामी कम्प्युटरमा बसिरहँदाखेरि हामीले त्यहाँनिर केही भिडियोहरू अथवा केही हेऱ्यौँ भने हामीले समय गएको पत्तै हुँदैन. सो वी क्यान स्पेन्ड टु मच टाइम विथ कम्प्युटर. ओके, एन्ड सर्ट एटेन्सन स्पान एन्ड टु मच मल्टिटास्किङ. यसले एउटा एटेन्सन पनि पे गर्न हामीहरू जब कम्प्युटरसँग भुल्न थाल्छौँ तब हामी के हुन सक्छौँ, we can or the attention can be reduced and too much multitasking and can limit learning and create a dependency. यसले लर्निङ हामी जस्तो अरू जब कम्प्युटरमा हामी खोल्न थाल्यौँ भने हाम्रो किताबहरू पढ्ने बानी बिस्तारै कम हुँदै जान सक्छ र यसले डिपेन्डेन्सी क्रिएट अ डिपेन्डेन्सी, अरूमा हामी निर्भर रहन सक्छौँ कि आत्मनिर्भर होइन परनिर्भर रहन सक्छौँ होइन. भनेको हामी खालि यो नआए के भयो र कम्प्युटरबाट हुन्छ भन्ने जस्ता कुराहरू यस वी क्यान डु or we can think. And similarly, potential of loss of privacy. It may reduce the security. That means it can reduce privacy. है, हाम्रो जुन गोपनीयता हुन्छ त्यस्ता गोपनीयताहरू भङ्ग हुन सक्छन्. A computer can not work itself. कम्प्युटरले फेरि आफै काम गर्दैन. That need to well-trained manpower to run computer properly. And increases waste and impacts the environment. अब यसले के गर्छ भन्दा हामी खाली समय के गर्ने, every time we can spend every time with the computer and can reduce jobs. Okay? Then it may create unemployment. If the person spend his or her time with the computer, then they may feel computer is everything. है, मान्छे जब कम्प्युटरसँग बस्न थाल्यो भने कम्प्युटर सबै चिज हो भन्ने, काम गर्न मन नलाग्ने, जसले गर्दा के हुन सक्छ, यसले मान्छेहरू जब नगर्ने. द्याट्स अनइम्प्लोइमेन्ट. इट मे क्रिएट अनइम्प्लोइमेन्ट. एन्ड नेक्स्ट वान इज इट इज युजलेस विदाउट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. र यो विद्युत बिना अर्थात् यसलाई के चाहिन्छ, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी अर्थात् पावर चाहिन्छ. विदाउट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी इट कान्ट बी रन. यो सुचारू गर्न सकिँदैन. सो दिज आर द disadvantages of computers. Yeah, right? Note them and read them very properly and be prepared for exam. Okay. Writing. Okay, well, this much for today. Okay, this much for today's class. We will talk about the application areas of computer on our next class. Uh, so please read them very well. Okay, this much for today's class.